Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Speaking Practice Podcast. I'm Jane.
And I'm Chris. Today's topic is very important, especially if you work with people.
That's right, Chris. Today we are learning about customer service in English.
So this lesson is not only about English, it's also about how to treat customers well.
Exactly. Customer service isn't just about solving problems, it's about building trust through language. In today's episode, we will learn customer service protocol, polite English language, body language, do's and don'ts, and real customer service conversations.
Before we begin, we have a kind request. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe.
This goes a long way in helping us create more lessons for you.
So, Jane, let's start simple. What is customer service?
Customer service is the way a business helps, supports, and communicates with customers. Good customer service makes people feel welcome, respected, heard.
So, customer service is not only about selling?
Exactly. It's about how you speak, how you act, and how you solve problems.
Who are the people in customer service?
People who offer customer service include shop attendants, receptionists, cashiers, waiters and waitresses, call center agents, hotel staff, and online support agents.
So even online chats and phone calls are customer service?
Yes, Chris. Customer service happens in person, on the phone, and online.
To be honest, I get a bit nervous when I have to complain or even just ask for help in English. I'm always afraid of sounding rude or not understanding the unspoken rules.
That is so common, Chris. Customer service isn't just about the words, it's about protocol and tone. Today, we're going to cover everything from body language to those magic polite phrases.
Perfect. So where do we start? Do we start with the words?
Actually, we start before you even open your mouth. We start with body language. In person, 90% of your message is nonverbal. We use an acronym called SOFTEN.
Soften, like making something soft?
Exactly. It stands for smile, open posture, forward lean, touch like a handshake, eye contact, and nodding. It tells the customer, I am present and I am listening.
Oh, I see. So if I'm standing with my arms crossed, even if I say, how can I help you? I'm actually saying, go away.
Exactly. Now let's talk about the language of politeness. Chris, if you need a customer's phone number, how would you ask?
Maybe give me your phone number, please?
Not bad, but in English customer service, we love indirect questions. Instead of give me, try, could I please have your phone number? Or would you mind sharing your phone number with me?
Ah, could and would. They make the sentence feel less like a command and more like a request.
Exactly. Now let's put this into a scenario. Imagine I'm a customer whose room is dirty. This is where we use the LAST method.
Let me guess. LAST, as in listen, apologize, solve, and thank?
You nailed it. Let's role play. I'll be the angry guest. Excuse me, I just walked into room 402 and there are used towels everywhere. This is disgusting.
Oh no, I am so sorry to hear that. That is definitely not the standard we strive for.
Well, I'm exhausted and I just want to lay down.
I understand completely. I'm afraid that room wasn't marked as cleaned yet. Let me solve this. I'm going to upgrade you to a suite on the top floor immediately, and I'll send a voucher for a free dinner to your phone right now. Would that be acceptable?
Oh, a suite? Well, yes, that sounds lovely. Thank you.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for bringing this to our attention so we could fix it for you.
Chris, that was perfect. You used, I'm going to solve this. It makes the customer feel safe.
I noticed I used I'm afraid too. Why did I say that? I wasn't scared of you.
Great question. In English service, I'm afraid is a softener. We use it to introduce bad news. It sounds much kinder than just saying no or the room isn't ready.
That makes sense. It's like a warning that bad news is coming, so it's not a shock.
Let's move on to protocol in customer service.
Jane, what does protocol mean?
Protocol means the correct way to do things. Basic protocol in customer service is greet the customer, listen carefully, speak politely and clearly, help or offer solutions, thank the customer.
So order is important in customer service?
Yes, very important. Customers like structure and respect.
So which words can we use to sound polite and respectful?
Some of the polite English words and phrases we can use in customer service are good morning/good afternoon, how may I help you, please, thank you, you're welcome, I'm sorry about that, let me check that for you.
So when do we actually use these phrases?
We use good morning or good afternoon at the start of a conversation to greet the customer politely and to create a friendly first impression. For example, good morning, welcome to our store. Good afternoon, how may I help you?
What about how may I help you?
We use how may I help you after greeting the customer to invite the customer to explain their need, to show willingness to help. For example, how may I help you today? How may I assist you?
What about please?
We use please when requesting something from the customer to sound polite and respectful. For example, please wait a moment. Please provide your order number. Please have a seat.
What about thank you?
We use thank you when the customer gives information, waits patiently, accepts help, or finishes the service. This is to show appreciation. For example, thank you for waiting. Thank you for choosing our service.
What about you're welcome?
We use you're welcome after the customer says thank you in order to respond politely and to maintain friendliness. For example, if a customer says thank you very much, the staff will then say you're welcome.
What about I'm sorry about that?
We use I'm sorry about that when the customer has a complaint or there is a problem or mistake. This is said to show empathy and to calm the customer. For example, I'm sorry about the delay. I'm sorry about that inconvenience.
And finally, we have let me check that for you.
We use let me check that for you when we need time to confirm information. This is done to reassure the customer, to show action is being taken. For example, let me check that for you. Please wait a moment. Okay, let's review today's customer service words.
Good morning/good afternoon. How may I help you? Please. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm sorry about that. Let me check that for you.
These words make your English sound polite, professional, and confident.
Jane, why are these phrases so important in customer service?
These phrases are used to show respect and professionalism. When dealing with customers, it is important to be polite and courteous.
Let's also review body language.
Good body language. Smile, eye contact, open posture, nodding when listening. Bad body language, rolling your eyes, crossing your arms, looking at your phone, frowning.
Let's review some techniques we've learned today.
A customer is angry because their package is 3 days late. The technique, use the LAST method. Listen, don't interrupt, apologize sincerely, solve, offer a refund or discount, thank them for their patience.
And the use of could and would.
Instead of saying, give me your name, which sounds too cold and harsh, say, could I please have your name?
So even without words, customers can feel how we treat them.
Yes, definitely. Before we wrap up, let's look at some quick do's and don'ts. Okay, don't say, I don't know. Do say, let me find that out for you. Don't say, that's not my department. Do say, I apologize for the inconvenience. Let's fix this.
Don't say bye. Do say, "Is there anything else I can help you with?" Don't say, "Yeah, what do you want?" Do say, "Good morning, how may I assist you today?"
Don't say, I know. Do say, I understand. Let me make sure I have this right. Don't say, you're wrong. Do say, there might be a misunderstanding. Let's look at the details together.
Do use the customer's name if you know it. It builds an immediate connection. Don't use slang or overly casual language like, "Hey dude," or "Gimme a sec," unless the brand is very informal.
Do smile while talking on the phone. People can actually hear a smile in your voice. Don't say, hang on. Do say, could you hold for a moment while I check that? Or, let me find that for you.
Let me find that for you. I like that. It sounds like I'm taking action instead of just being clueless.
That's the heart of good service, Chris. It's not just about the English, it's about the attitude of helpfulness.
Some more do's in customer service. Be polite. Listen carefully. Stay calm. Use simple, clear English.
Some more don'ts. Don't shout. Argue with customers. Ignore customers. Use rude words.
Even if the customer is angry?
Especially then.
Jane, can we do some example conversations that may happen in real life?
Of course. Let's start with a shop customer. You be the customer, and I'll be the shop attendant.
Okay. Excuse me, do you have this shirt in a larger size?
Yes. Please give me a moment. Let me check for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here you are. Would you like to try it on? Let's now do one of an unhappy customer.
I'm not happy with this service.
I'm sorry about that. Please tell me what the problem is.
I've been waiting for a long time.
I understand. Thank you for your patience. Let me help you right away. Now, let's try a phone customer service. Good morning. Thank you for calling. How may I help you?
I'm calling about my order.
I'd be happy to help. May I have your order number, please?
Order 26798.
Thank you. We are working on your order, sir. Just a moment.
Great examples there, Jane. Makes everything very clear. Jane, can customers also be polite?
Yes, customers can also be polite. Some polite customer responses include, excuse me, please, thank you for your help. I appreciate it.
So, customer service English helps everyone communicate better.
Exactly. When you as a customer are happy with the service provided, say, thank you. I appreciate your help. Or when unhappy with the service, it's okay to speak up. You can say, I'm afraid this isn't what I expected.
Jane, today we learned a lot.
Yes, we learned customer service, language, protocol, body language, do's and don'ts, and real conversations.
I feel much more confident already. Thank you, Jane.
You're very welcome. And a pro tip for everyone, the golden rule. Treating customers and customer service providers how you'd want to be treated.
Insightful. Thank you, Jane. That's very helpful. To our listeners, if you want to improve your English and your professional skills, this lesson is perfect.
That's right. Practice these phrases every day. Repeat them, write them down, and use them in real life.
And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe for more English lessons, and share this episode with family or friends who may need it.
Thank you for listening. That's it from us. We'll see you on our next episode.